Today I want to show something very important. As you know, there are too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and that is causing the greenhouse effect. The earth is getting warmer, and this is shown as temperature here full of CO2, way too much than what is desirable. And this has happened over hundreds of years. As you know, the Paris resolution for climate change is that we need to keep the further increase within 1.5 degrees. So why is this temperature increasing? The temperature is increasing due to three different gases: carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. So today we are going to talk about carbon dioxide. And all of you know that we are asked to plant trees, keeping the earth cool by planting trees. It's a very powerful kind of climate mitigation strategy. So why do people plant tree? And I'm showing symbolically by a leaf here. When you have a plant's leaf, it goes through a process called photosynthesis. Literally means a synthesis with the help of light. So what is that synthesis? The reaction is that the sunlight, and then the other important component related to climate change is that for this reaction carbon dioxide is used. Carbon dioxide is sucked in along with and with the help of sunlight and using the body of the leaf. The leaf has the apparatus, the chlorophyll, and the whole mesophyll cells, etc. You can call it the machine, and the ingredients are sunlight and carbon dioxide plus water. Water is needed, converted into glucose, water, and oxygen. So this is the whole reaction of photosynthesis, which reduces carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and that is very important for climate mitigation. So there are two types of plants in the world: the C3 plants, which includes rice, potato, and wheat, and then the C4 plants, which are sorghum, sugarcane, and corn or maize. And in these plants, take for instance C3 plants, photosynthesis occurs in mesophyll cell. Carbon dioxide acceptor molecule is there because carbon dioxide has to come and do its thing through some enzyme, and that is called RUBP, riboside biphosphate, and then the C3 product, carbon product, is coming out of it, and we can say that the carbon sequestration has occurred, meaning that carbon dioxide has been converted into some product which the plant is now sending through the root into the soil, and the carbon in the soil increases. So that is roughly the reaction. Then one of my close colleagues in CSIRO, Hal Hatch, and his colleague Slack, this discovery took place in Australia in sugarcane. They found that there was another pathway, which is the C4 pathway, that is much more efficient. And the reason it's efficient is that the reaction takes place in mesophyll and bundle sheath as well. So it's like a double barrel gun. It fixes carbon dioxide in two different compartments. A different enzyme is involved along with RUBP, and then the product is the C4 oxalic acid, etc. So coming back to what we started with, we are discussing two very important things here. One is the whole process of photosynthesis, where light is used to synthesize complex carbon, taking away the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. So learning photosynthesis is very important. It's in the textbook. But why is photosynthesis important? Of course, photosynthesis is important because what comes as carbon product is our food. It's the sugar. We take the leaf and eat it, and we get sugar molecule in the body. The second reason it's important is that it's removing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and therefore doing climate mitigation. And it is doing carbon sequestration by converting CO2 into sugar products, and then take it down to the root, and into the soil the carbon is deposited. Thank you.